Hey there! Curious about how to switch the language in Genshin Impact? Well, you're in for a treat. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to play Genshin Impact in your preferred language. Let's get started. First, kick off Genshin Impact. Once you're in the game, hit the escape button on your keyboard to bring up the menu. Now, click on Settings icon right here. Next, jump to the Language tab. Then, click on this option and select your desired game language. The game will take a moment to switch to that language. If you want to tweak the voiceover language, click here and choose the language you prefer. For those craving an authentic anime experience, Japanese is the way to go for the voiceover language. After that, a window will pop up. Just click Confirm to download the voice pack. Once downloaded, the voiceover language will match the language you chose. And there you have it. That's how you switch the game language and voiceover language in Genshin Impact on your computer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more Genshin Impact tips and tricks, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for tuning in.